The Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan has reacted angrily to the decision by the Indian government to revoke special status for Kashmir. He has threatened to report India to the United Nations Security Council, and he says Pakistan will fight this move at every forum. India says that the decision to remove special status is needed to ensure security. Indian-administered Kashmir, meanwhile, remains in lockdown. Here's our diplomatic correspondent, Paul Adams.
A state in lockdown, all but cut off from the outside world. India has flooded Jammu and Kashmir with tens of thousands of extra troops and police. Phone lines and the internet have been blocked since Sunday.
We can speak to our correspondent, Asif Faruqi. Asif, tell us more about what the Prime Minister's been saying.
Pakistani Prime Minister Imran Khan just addressed the joint session of the parliament which was convened to discuss situation in Kashmir, and he basically built on the narrative that Pakistan government is saying since yesterday, that whatever India has done will lead to regional instability and will be detrimental to the peace in the region. He very clearly said that India will obviously try to suppress voices in Kashmir, which will lead to further violence and attacks against Indian state, and that India could blame on Pakistan, that it has already been doing. And at that point, Imran Khan was very clear in saying that if that happens and if India takes action against Pakistan this time around, it can lead to a conventional war between the two countries. He didn't stop there, but he also added that this time around, a conventional war will not stay conventional, but it can lead to a nuclear conflict. So basically, he said he was not nuclear blackmailing the international community, but was stating the facts that the situation in the region is very, very critical and international community should take notice of it.
It is a very dramatic statement.